Right, good morning, welcome back. Now, just recently I fitted this headlight guard to my Triumph and a couple of you asked the question, how do you clean behind it now it's permanently mounted? Good question. You can't. You have to literally remove the bolts that it's secured with, which is the headlight mounting bolts, and then the headlight itself will drop out. So then, yeah, you can take the guard off, clean the headlight, put it back in, but then you've got to refit your headlight, reset the headlight aim, every time you want to wash your headlight? That's just ridiculous. Now, far be it from me to criticise Triumph's design house, but seriously, they got this one wrong. They really needed to make this easily detachable, and it's not in any way. And it's stainless steel, it's good quality manufacture, but it's poor design. It's got a screw underneath, that comes out, that's easy, but what we need is a couple of screws on the side here, so I can just unscrew it, lift it off, clean the headlight, put it back on without disturbing the set of the headlight, because that's just daft. So let's do that. Little modification to a factory accessory. Right, there we are. A very simple fix. Now I can remove my headlight cover to clean my headlight by simply removing 3 screws. Why didn't Triumph think of that? I'll see you next time.